Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to fix spelling mistakes in Fixy AI. First, make sure that you have downloaded Fixy AI app on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and type in Fixy and tap on the logo to open this app. Now to fix spelling mistakes, simply click on this corrector option at the center and here on this field type in the text that you want to correct spellings, or you can directly copy the text and paste it here. After that, click on this correct option. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the corrected version here, and if you have done any mistakes, then this corrected version will automatically correct the spellings for you. So this is how you can fix spelling mistakes in Fixy AI app. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.